It is hot as hell out in Santa Clarita. This place has been pretty busy lately. All right, let's look around. Starting with the size, I thought it was in a 9, I guess 9.5. Look at this. Look at this, dude. Got some dunk highs right here. Some dunk high deconstructs, so a little bit different. Okay, but the color, not too bad. Materials, pretty freaking nice. And these are going for $120. They are under retail, but not like crazy. Spizike low size 9 right here. These are going for $80. Those of you guys new to the channel, this is a Nike clearance store. The information is in the description, address, all that type of stuff. $9.5, $100 for the LeBron 2s right here. Tatum's going for $60. Jordan Team 2s going for $70. LeBron 21s, these are going for $100. Got some Air Forces right here with the gum bottoms. What are these going for? $90 for these. These are size 10 though. Size 9 penny 2s. Social Status collab right here. These are going for $100. Is this a new book or is this a really soft suede? I don't know. The colorway not bad, dude. $100. Right next to that, $100 for these. We've seen these way cheaper at the typical back section on the regular outlets. $180 for these. Jordan 1 Flyees right here. $110, way too much. Center courts, these are going for $60. I am in the size 10 now. Geodomes right here, super dope looking boots, super soft suede. That is a deep burgundy, going for $80. Air Max 1 OG Golf right here, $130. Another one right here. These are not these are Golf too? I never noticed. $140, way too much. LeBron 4 Menace, I've never seen these before. Fruity Pebbles colorway. LeBron 4 football cleats, definitely never seen that. These are going for $100. That's definitely unique. Got Noctas right here, size 10, $100. I think that's the cheapest we've seen this one. I'm just not a fan of those like that. Another one of these Flyees go for $110. Team J's right here. These are the Zoom 92s, go for $70. $150 for the Jordan 1 High OGs. Oh, I showed those earlier. Jordan 1 lows. We've seen these a lot cheaper at the regular outlets. $130 for the La Familia Air Max 1s. Got one of these ambush ones left over. Haven't seen these in a long time. Ambush Dunk Highs go for $150. $60 for the Luka 2s. Zoom Freaks, see a ton of these. These are going for $60. Bunch of different colorways. LeBron's right here, really crazy colorway, next gens, $80. Jordan 37s, these are going for $80. All right, no crazy finds in the sneaker section yet. Prices seem to be way up and down. I do need to exchange some shorts for my kiddo. Bought some mediums and they were a little too big for him. I believe you can exchange sizes, but you cannot get your money back, no refunds. So we'll definitely test that theory in a few minutes. I just need to find something in a small. Oh, this would be perfect, but this ain't a small. There's no way. Oh, this is a medium. This thing is dope. Has the zippers right here. This is exactly what my kiddo wants. This is pretty. Oh, and it's at the knee. Oh my goodness, should I guess I could get this for him, and if it doesn't fit, I could wear it. Let me see if I can find his size. So this is a medium. They got a bunch of stuff in the medium. Bunch of dope stuff right here. Look at this. And he loves these zippers because he doesn't have to worry about losing things. They got Tech Fleece ones right here too. These are going for $40 as well. But they ain't got none of this in the size small right here. What the F? They just got these crazy colors. Damn, dog. Come on now, man. All right, we're checking a third different aisle. I've gone to 3 different aisles for shorts. Wait, gray one right here? This one might, oh, this one might work. This is gray. Okay. All right, at least I found one pair of shorts. I'm still looking for others. All right, did come back to my car. This is what I had right here. And it's the exact same ones. It's just the mediums, and these are too big for my kiddos. I need a size swap. So I'm gonna do a exchange for this. I still have these. These are gonna stay in my car, man. $20 for the Trae Youngs. So I'm just gonna leave those in my car. And then, yeah, let's go. I need to give that to one of my boys. So this is the black one that I have right now. I got it for 25 bucks. Now it's up to 40. So I guess I'm gonna have to pay the difference. I think I'm gonna have to pay the difference. God dang it. I hate when that happens. Son of a... All right, dang it. I did have to pay, what, $16 extra because the price did go up. If it was the same color, I probably wouldn't have had to pay the extra, but yeah, technically they said I had to get the same color or whatever, and I was like, you guys don't have it. That's not my problem. But yeah, they were nice. I just talked to them real nicely, and they did let me do, I guess, an exchange. Kind of, sort of. I paid the difference. And I did look everywhere for the black ones. It's this one, as well as this rack. I did not find any of the black small ones, so it is what it is, man. Dang it. And they still do have tech fleece. What are these? Go for $80 for these bad boys. We've seen them a little bit cheaper at some of the other regular outlets, and then I think this model's been a little bit cheaper. Yeah, $50 for the pullovers. So the pullovers go for $50. The tech fleece jackets go for $80. Is it $79? Yeah, $79.99. Size 11. Do got the Jumpman Pro Quicks right here, going for $70. Got the pennies and the most random colorway going for $80. More Team J's right here. Stay Loyal 3s going for $50. Moving on to the 12s, because a lot of repeats, most of the same stuff that we see in the smaller sizes. Stadium 90s going for $70. Still got these Prestos, Hello Kitty Prestos. I've seen a few of you guys mention this in the comment section. 110 for these bad boys. The Tatum ones in a pretty dope colorway. Halloween colorway, 60 for those. Got some mids right here. Extra bright mids going for 100. Terminator highs right here go for 60. Starting to see the Air Max DNs go for way too much. So 130 for those bad boys. And remember, you can see when they priced a lot of these items. They do have dates on them now. Moving up to the 13s and the big feet gang size. Do got Air Flight 95. Jason Kids right here going for 80. Two trays right next to that. These are going for 70. Got mids right next to that, down to 100. What are these right here? Some trainers. Some gator skin in the back. And it says Toyo? What the hell? Okay, I don't really know this release. These are going for 70. Here, more up tempos. These are $80 for these. So many animals for that one. Jordan 1 High OGs. This is what I'm talking about. 110 for these, so $30 off. Got a couple of them right here. Box top definitely worth a $30 savings, or lack of box top, that is. One of these in the size 14s. Got some 38s right here. These are size 13. Some clean 38s. I really like the 38s. So much better than the 37s. The look, at least, 100 bucks. Size 14, the Air Force Off-Whites. Those are going for 160. Dunks, these are down to 55 right here. Size 15s being given away. And they got some 18s and stuff like that down here. I haven't seen too many people comment in the comment section regarding like those sizes. All right, I was gonna go to the clothes. I forgot to show you guys what's going on here. They've been having some decent stuff right here lately. Got some baseball cleats, 9 to 12 right here. These are, what are these called? Reactive Vapor Ultraflight Elite 4s going for 30 bucks. Air Max 97s, these bad boys going for 40. Got some Air Max 90s. These are both grade school, I just realized. Grade school, these are going for $40. $40, 70 right there, and 40 for these. Hella clean for 40 bucks. Air Max ones right here. These are women's, up to size 9, go for 70. Women's Dunk Lows, $90. Then Dunk High Pandas, these are 100 bucks. 100 bucks. These are women's, up to size 9. See a few NBA jerseys. Do got Paul George jerseys. Does that mean the price of these are gonna go down like crazy? 40 bucks. I guess pretty low. I guess it's pretty low. Kawhi right here, 40 as well. Kawhi's not leaving. So Kawhi jersey worth it, PG probably not. Tons of trades, tons of free agency signings, and yeah, Lakers ain't done jack yet. Lakers ain't done jack. What's going on? What's going on, you guys? You guys gonna make some moves? These are all smalls, so no really good sizes. Still got the tech fleece pants, the hella bright ones, still down to 30. Do got pretty thick hoodies right here. These are down to $50. Pretty clean black ones. We checked out a lot of the shorts. Let's check out a bunch of, looks like they got a bunch of winter gear. But yeah, do got a denim, Jordan denim jacket right here. These are just hella interesting because I don't know, is that coming back? I know everything old comes back. Is denim coming back? Denim jacket, $60 for those. Does have a flight all over it. I don't see anybody wearing denim jackets. Hoodies right here, mediums. These are going for $50. Pretty thick, not the thickest, but pretty thick. Flight, I don't know, is this a faux jersey, a vest, a jacket, a short sleeve jacket? I don't know what the hell this is. $50 for these. Jordan's version of tech fleece. No, this is way thinner than tech fleece, never mind. $40 for that. Flight hoodies going for $40. And then this hoodie right here, medium, it's pretty thin. These are going for $50 right here. Super soft sweats right here, going for $40. Has zippers on the pockets. I'm so cognizant of that because my kiddo, that's what he loves, zippers. He's always afraid to lose. So $40 for those. Ones that just fell, extra white sweats, $25 for those. The tech fleece pants, did they go down at all? No, still $50. And these are the breakaway, or the ventilated ones. You can unbutton the sides if you get really hot. These are nice. $140 down to $50. So $90 off. They got them in small, medium, not the extra huge sizes. Do got these ThermaFit advanced sweats right here. These should have a premium price. Ooh, $40. This is a double XL though. The regular XL going for $60. These normally are $100 and what was it? These are normally $95. Just like the last year, they got plenty of t-shirts, $13. They have a $20 rack right here. Got two more racks going for $13. Just a bunch of JDI shirts and stuff. I didn't find anything too interesting. I also didn't find any jerseys or anything like that as well. Checking the women's section. Look at this. Look at this. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. I'm looking for some running shoes for one of the homegirls, and $100, but I'm not gonna get her these because first of all, these don't last very long. These are racing shoes. They're only rated at I think about 250 miles. So they're gonna wear a little quicker than some of the other running shoes. I was hoping to find some Invincible Run Flyknit 3s or something like that, but no luck. $100 for these though. I am looking for one of these for one of the homies. I think he said he might have a hookup, but it's not 100%, so I'm still looking here and there. And I did check to see if they have any other sizes, but their system's a little weird because it says they don't have this size. It says they have this other one right here, but obviously they have a size 7.5 women, so I don't know. I did check other colors as well, but yeah, no luck. They did have this other color, but that's about it. And they do have a few shoes that I can get for the homegirl. The Infinity Run 4s right here going for $80. We've seen those cheaper though. We've seen those cheaper at some other spots. They got another Vaporfly right here going for $100. They didn't show this colorway. I don't think they did. But yeah, they got the 3s going for $80 as well. We've seen those cheaper, especially with the refurbished editions. We've seen them cheaper, so I'm gonna try to be a little bit patient. You got Jordan 2s. They've been having Jordan 2s everywhere. $120 for those. Air Force 1s with a gum bottom and some extra colors that aren't needed, $90. Got some Jordan 1 Hot OGs going for $150. Stadium 90s, these are going for $70. Jordan 5s right here. These are dope colorway, $170 for those. Some denim Air Force 1 mids going for $60. Dunk Low Twist, $100. We've seen those way cheap at the regular outlets, I feel like. All right, now we're moving on to the huge sizes. So pretty much the men's sizes in the women's section. because they do extended size pricing, so they'll mark everything down. Look at this, $30. If you need some Air Force Ones, these are a size 10 men's. If you need to be a little taller, need to be a baller, got some platforms right here, $50. These are size 10 and a half men's. J Force Ones, size 12 men's, go for $35. These look weird as hell. Dunks, these are 15 and a half, size 14 men's, $35. $35. Size 14 right here. That's not even a crazy size. Holy cow. Got this little Asian kid right here is just staring at me, wondering what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, $150 for these bad boys right here, size 10 and a half. Stadium 90s right here, going for $70. Got some Velvet ones right here, going for $60. And Jordan 1 highs right here. These are size 9 men's, 10 and a half women's, $150. So the extended pricing hasn't helped that much. So you got Air Max 1s right here. Usually Air Max 1s are like $80, something like that. Pretty interesting colorway, that's not bad. Those are size 9 men's. I have been looking around for accessories and stuff like that, backpacks and stuff. I haven't seen any really good deals on backpacks. Man, I'm really not looking forward to paying retail prices for that RPM backpack. What, 105 I think is the retail. 25 for the Zions right here. They got some generic looking Jordan backpack right here. These are down to $15. They got soccer shin guards and stuff like that. They got budget options for $10 right here. And they got the really nice Vapor Grip 3s going for $40 right here. So people are trying to find the retail price. Look at that, the retail price $135. People doing it big still. Got people doing it big still. Did not see any crazy steals, but we still got people doing it big. Got people buying a bunch of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much the Nike clearance store out in Santa Clarita. Heard there's one opening in the Inland Empire, so definitely gonna keep track of that. Got plenty of videos coming. Stay tuned. Gonna be hitting up more shops. Probably tomorrow. But yeah, got plenty coming. Make sure you help away, press that like button and subscribe, do all that good stuff. Share the video if you guys have any people worth sharing it to. And we out, man. We out.